How can I find out about available clinical trials?
Well, the place that lists all possible clinical trials is online, and the website is called www.clinicaltrials.gov. And while folks complain that it's difficult to manage around those trials and find what you're looking for, there have been improvements. You can specify the disease. You can specify, if you happen to know the name of the trial, you can specify a particular drug that you might be interested to see if there's a trial available. So clinicaltrials.gov is pretty good. But there are other ways to get a little bit better hand-holding involved. There's an organization called sparkcares.com. And many of the advocacy organizations I mentioned have nurse navigators that can walk you through to get a trial. The MMRF does this. The Leukemia and Lymphoma Society does this. Certainly the IMF helpline can do this as well. So there are ways for you to be proactive to find trials in your specific location that might be of interest to you to further investigate.
The HealthTree Clinical Trial Finder is a tool specially designed to help patients discover clinical trials they are eligible for. By navigating to the Clinical Trial Finder, you can search for a specific clinical trial by drug, therapy, NCTID, and many other search criteria. Once you have searched for the trial type, you can read about all the trials offered based on your search results. Once you click on a listed trial, you can read to see if you are an eligible candidate by reading the Who Can and Who Cannot Join sections. Always consult with your doctor and care team before entering into a clinical trial. How do I get into clinical trials?
Well, you go to a center that has clinical trials available. You ask your doctor about that. There's also websites that have clinical trial availability that you can look up in Google and kind of get a sense of trials that you might be interested in. That can be difficult though, because a lot of those are out of state, far from where you might live. So your local doctor is a good first step. A lot of them know where their trials are open around you or if they have trials in the area.
Thanks for watching. By creating a HealthTree account, you can get exclusive access to the latest HealthTree University content, track your course progress, take quizzes, and bookmark lessons. Visit the links in the description below to get started.